Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for checking out the video. This is part 2 of Python Basics in under 5 minutes. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between strings and integers. Now, a string is basically a direct input, so whatever you type in the string, that's what's going to show in your terminal. An integer is just a fancy way of saying numbers. Integers have numeric values, so any kind of math, anything like that, we consider that an integer. So what you could do, print, no quotations, because once you put quotations, it becomes a string. So print, what? 6 times 6. Oh, sorry. And then in your terminal, you should get your answer. 36. So these have numeric value. These are integers. Now, integers can also be variables. So you could do something like A equals 6 and B equals 5, right? So what you do is go print A, all right? Print A, your answer, and it's gonna print A, which is 6. Now you can do print A times B, and this will get you 30, right? Now you can't, there's a certain way you have to combine the strings with an integer. Say you want to write this out as a mathematical problem. So we would type print. Now we have to make it a string. You make a string first. You got to combine a string and an integer. Print the value of A times, times B is, now this is not going to give us the answer. This is what we want to see in the terminal. I'm cleaning that terminal up. This is what's going to give you the answer. You have to do a string function, string, another quotation mark. Now you do your equations. A times B. All right, so let's see what we have here. Right here, we have our string. We have our print command. The value of A times B is blank. This is the blank over here. So in order for us to do the math, we have to convert the integer into a string. And how we do that? By using the command str, which stands for string, another quotation mark, and then inside the quotation mark, we do the equation. Now you have 2 quotation marks on this side because we have 2 quotation marks on this side, one here and one here. So if you have whatever opening quotations you have on this side, you have to have the closing quotations the same amount. So let's see. See how this prints out. Oh, I made a mistake. Whenever you go from string to integer, you gotta use the add function. So yeah, so it's a string plus an integer that we transfer into a string. Okay, here we go. The value of A times B is 30, and there you go. Now that, in a nutshell, is how you combine strings and integers. Thanks for watching the video.